Good evening from Universal Studios Florida. We are here for all of their holiday offerings. We're checking out the new tribute store, The Parade, which at the time of recording debuted last night, but this will come out a few nights after that. We're very excited. Make sure to subscribe, bell icon, like this video. We're headed into Universal right now. We're hanging out with Max today. Say hi.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
He's on TikTok here. He's a Universal fan. Most of our other friends are like only Disney people, so like we're like, hey, we're gonna hang out with somebody cool today that isn't Disney elitist. We're headed over to the tribute store now. That's a big tree. This is like 75 feet tall. So Max gave us a tip for Instagram pics.
So basically this is how you kind of do it. You have this gold ball here or the silver ball. The idea is to get a shot of you in the reflection of the ball. I'm not sure why that's a famous shot, but it seems to be really popular this time of year.
I'll show you how it looks, at least on the silver one. Hi. Isabelle is anxiously waiting for us to go into the store. Okay, we're gonna head in now. This is the Earl room we are entering right now. They did move where they have the suites. The suites is in the second room of the tribute store this time. For those who don't have smell-o-vision, it smells like gingerbread and roasted nuts. This is the entire room here. For those who aren't aware, this is Earl the Squirrel. Earl is the mascot for Universal Studios during the Christmas time. The cartoon version looks different from the plush version. He's up there, you can see him up there.
They're mint, is that okay?
They're mint?
Yes.
No, never mind.
I'm letting you know.
We appreciate it. We're entering the Grinch room. This is themed to his Mount Crumpet lair, which it like legit feels like you are in a cave in here, just because of the cave walls, and they do have his sleigh as well. Isabelle really wants to show you guys the lounge fly. This is
It's so cute, and it's fuzzy.
Is it practical though? That's the main part of the review we want to give.
I mean, that's a pretty good pocket. It's better, this pocket's better than my inside out one. They're not wearing Mickey ears here, so you don't need that. Oh, you got a tag with the doggy on it. I think it's pretty practical.
Comes with a bunch of paper on the inside. That's fun.
I really like that. That's so cute.
Right now we are entering the most hyped up room, which is the Yule Ball room from Harry Potter. This is one that Isabelle is most excited for good reason. There's also the most amount of room in here too.
Found the tiny bag I was looking for.
What would you put in there? Nothing. A wallet, a phone.
If I'm paying that much, I'm getting a lounge fly.
How much is it?
$65.
$65.
I guarantee the Grinch lounge fly is not that much more.
They do have all of this merch in the main like front Universal store in CityWalk, so you're gonna find a lot of duplicates here. Nothing too unique except for these sweaters up here. You wanna
That's the one that Anna wanted.
the Ron one?
Yes.
Well, it's a Ravenclaw one. It's not.
No, it's Ron.
Well, then what is the F and the G?
Fred and Ginny, or George, probably George. Harry, Ron, Fred, and George.
Not Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw,
No.
Gryffindor, and Slytherin. We just exited the tribute store. It was extremely crowded in there. I don't know, Isabelle was not a big fan of it. Am I right?
I mean, I like the store itself. It's just people are in there with strollers and hitting you with strollers, and you can't even like look at the stuff because they're just like taking up all the room. So
maybe don't come here on a weekend if you're trying to experience the tribute store. We did get fudge though. What kind of fudge did we get?
Peanut butter chocolate. I already messed up the label.
We're gonna try it. We'll do a full review of just this fudge because there wasn't as many treats as there have been.
All the good treats are in CityWalk. They only had like macarons that were mint, and then
I am so happy the team member was like, "Oh, those are mint peppermint flavor." I was like, "Ooh, thank you for warning me." It's like I didn't just spend $8 on something I'm gonna throw out. So,
oh, this is my favorite song. This is my favorite Christmas song. Okay. Pretty good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it worth however much? How much did we pay for this?
$10.
Okay.
With the discount.
With the discount? I haven't had fudge in a very, very long time. We are kind of posted up trying to wait for a good spot for the parade. We'll see. As of right now, parade starts at 5:30, but where we're at in New York Street, it's not going to be here for at least another half hour. So we got some time. I definitely recommend coming early. If you point, Max is over there. He's like...
He's saving our spot.
He's saving us a good spot. That's some solid fudge. This is, whoa. Aftertaste is way better than the like initial bite. I will give this 9 out of 10.
For $10 though, that's a bit much.
Fudge costs a lot everywhere.
I know,
though, so,
I know.
Yeah, I definitely recommend this fudge, not that peppermint thing though, so.
No, the parade's coming, and I'm very excited.
Oh my gosh, it's Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Very energetic.
Shrek and Fiona look so cute.
This is, I think, my 3rd year seeing it, and each year I feel like it gets better and better. The balloons add a different aspect that other theme parks don't have, and I feel like that definitely is a positive outlook on this parade. You get to see Santa, you see Santa Shrek, you see Puss in Boots, you know, the flow of the parade is just so great, and I think it's definitely a must-see if you're coming here, especially for the holidays. I would say 9.5 out of 10. The 0.5 is lost because this lady kept hitting me on the side, but that's not the thing. But besides that, great parade, great show. This was Isabelle's first like parade outside of
Disneyland.
outside of the Oogie Boogie Bash parade.
Yes.
So what did you think? This is like your first holiday one too. Like,
Okay, so I love parades in general. I also love the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. So this is like the dream, you know? Like I got to see like kind of like a condensed version, but like with fun characters. Like I loved the Penguins of Madagascar. I love Santa Shrek. I loved seeing Santa. He wasn't scary. He was far enough away that it wasn't scary. I liked that a lot. That was a lot of fun. I cannot believe they run that every single day.
Like I know during the summer they had a parade. They were only running like weekends most of the time, but like this is an everyday thing, and there's at least over 1,000 people that run this parade every day. So it's like, it's a huge scale, especially because like, I don't feel like this is very well advertised that like, hey, this is a huge scale thing.
Yeah.
Like this is not as talked about as it should be. I know I just sound like a universal shill saying something like that.
It's really cool.
You know, it's
I get fake snow.
There was fake snow, confetti. Obviously Santa's a part of it too. You're not as close as you are for like Main Street stuff at Disney for like Santa on the Parade, but again, you're only going to see that if you're paying $200 to $250 for an after-hours event that Disney is running right now. So it's worth it in my opinion, for sure. 100%. What would you give it out of 10? 10?
11.
Aside from the people around us, they were getting a little close.
Creeping into because there was no rope on like in our section, so people were just creeping into the street.
There was one guy who literally like sat in the street to get a photo of his kids. It's like, don't. We're here in front of the tree, right out front of the tribute store here on New York Street area of the park. Isabelle likes it a lot. She wants one for our house, but not this big, obviously. But she wants like one of these dancing, I don't know, lights, trees.
They have ones that like you can use an app to like control the lights and like set your own like light shows. They're kind of expensive, so I'm gonna wait until after Christmas and hopefully they'll be on sale.
I didn't think we would be eating a full meal here, but we all got really hungry after that parade because of how long it was. We were sitting there for like an hour or more. So we just ordered and I'm gonna head inside. Isabelle's waiting there. This is mobile order, so if you don't want to wait in a line, you can mobile order here, just like you can at Disney and a lot of other quick service locations. So we're headed to Mel's. What'd you get?
Chicken tenders. They're very good, actually.
They are?
Yes, they're very good.
I got a Beyond Burger, which honestly, I like the Impossible brand. This is probably going to be not that good. I could already tell. What did you get?
The barbecue brisket burger with an onion ring on top. I think it comes with Gouda cheese, and there's some kind of sauce on there too. And fries on the side.
You'll have to let us know after you're done how good it is.
I will.
This burger is not good. Never accuse me of not giving bad reviews, because this is a bad burger.
To be fair, he didn't get the vegan mayo on it, but I don't know if that could have saved it.
Yeah, I don't know if the vegan mayo that I asked for it to not be on there would make that much of a difference. I put some ketchup on it. It's just not The burger itself is not doing it for me. So I would give this a 2 out of 10. Beyond Burger from Mel's, I would not recommend. Isabel's enjoying her chicken though.
I told you should have got the chicken tenders.
I know. Is it comparable to Disney chicken tenders?
Honestly, they might be better.
Better? What? Better
They're
than
really
Cosmic
good.
Rays?
They're really good.
No way. Thank you very much for joining us tonight on this wonderful holiday vlog here from Universal Studios. It is really cold if you can't tell. We're signing off for tonight. Make sure to subscribe, bell icon, like this video. Leave a comment down below what your favorite Christmas tradition is, or if you've ever been to the
Holiday tradition.
Holiday tradition, my bad. I try my best to do that, but we'll see you guys next time. Bye.